What are the three greatest problems with accounting software systems? Complexity, reliability, maintenance. Introducing plus and minus one file format. Its design is a discipline, simple, powerful, and reliable. One file format allows for flexibility that multi-format designs with rigid, complex structures find expensive to achieve. Plus and minus one file format accounting software lends itself well to diverse industries: manufacturing, construction, distribution, energy, financial, real estate investments, corporate, and nonprofit industries. One file format is a complete, rock-solid, secure solution that runs everywhere in real time. All functions in one product, module-free. No separate data silos, no integration, no time-consuming synchronization. For simple import and export every time. Add new functions. Customize existing functions. Over 1,000 reporting options. One file format design has never changed. From plus and minus, established and proven since 1982. Contact us now for a step-by-step personal demonstration.